Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer USDC from your Phantom wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to move funds for trading, staking, or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some USDC in it and a verified Crypto.com account. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted, it's crucial for security. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab and select USDC from your list of holdings. You'll see your balance, double-check that it's the amount you want to transfer. Step 2. Hit the Send button next to USDC. This will prompt you to enter a recipient address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet section, select the USDC deposit option, and copy the provided wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes, like sending to the wrong place. Step 3. Paste that Crypto.com address into the recipient field in Phantom Wallet. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's on the Solana blockchain, as that's what Phantom and Crypto.com use for USDC in 2025. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric auth. Once the transaction is sent, keep an eye on it. It should show up in your Crypto.com account within a few minutes, but network congestion could delay things. If it doesn't appear, check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Solscan. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from Phantom to Crypto.com. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize security to protect your assets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.